everybody, it's Tiffany Stone, and I'm an off-road and motorsports enthusiast. Now, I've pushed my engines more times than I can count. Whether it's wheeling, rock crawling, or just trail riding, I know that choosing the right type of oil is super important. Let me tell you why it matters. Motor oil is the lifeblood of an engine, and its main job is to lubricate your engine's fast-moving metal parts. Now, this reduces friction and helps prevent overheating. Bottom line, your motor oil is designed to extend the lifespan of your engine. Now, if you've ever taken your vehicle to the shop for a simple oil change but left with more questions than answers, know that you're not alone. Now, I've seen a ton of engines throughout my days, both new and old, and I can tell you this. Synthetic motor oil versus conventional oil is one of the best choices that you can make for your car's health. But you're probably wondering, what's the difference? Conventional oil is refined from crude oil. It's got impurities. Now, it works fine for a while, but under heat and stress, it breaks down faster and leaves sludge behind. Synthetic oil is an upgraded version of motor oil. It's built from the ground up in a lab. That means it's designed to perform in all scenarios. My synthetic oil of choice is AMSOIL. AMSOIL was invented by a former jet fighter squadron commander, and they've been perfecting this science for over 50 years. Now let's start with this brand new vehicle that you see right here. The engine is pristine, and we want to keep it that way. AMSOIL's advanced detergents make sure that the internal parts are spotless, reduce any friction, and to reduce any sludge. So that means your vehicle will be more efficient and powerful for a longer period of time. And AMSOIL gives you the option to go up to 25,000 miles or 1 year in between oil changes. Now say that you have an older vehicle that you absolutely love and you want it to continue running strong. So for vehicles with higher miles or an older engine, you're going to want products that are specifically formulated to reduce sludge, remove deposits, prevent leaks, and have anti-wear additives. Now this is going to be an investment into your vehicle's longevity. Now, every vehicle has different demands, and that's why AMSOIL engineers specific products based on the unique needs of that application. For example, those of you who have a diesel engine, you're going to want something with high temperature stability for those extreme operating conditions. Synthetic oils are more stable at high temperatures, which are common for towing heavy loads and resist breaking down. Now, you're probably wondering what these letters and numbers mean. Basically, engine oil is affected by temperature. The grade gives information on the use and flow of the lubricant when hot and cold. In low temperatures, oil becomes thicker, and in high temperatures, thinner. So there are many factors in engine situations as to which viscosity is right for the needs of your vehicle. AMSOIL synthetics stay stable across the entire range. You get smooth flow when it's cold and rock-solid protection when it's boiling hot. Now, if that's too much science for you and you want to make sure that you have the correct products for your vehicle, head over to amsoil.com or download their app. Just put in your make, year, and model, and it will show a complete product listing of everything you need to keep your vehicle running. Choose the product that best suits your needs based on drain interval and performance level, and AMSOIL will ship it out to you along with an oil change kit and everything you need to do it yourself or take it to your favorite shop. It's that easy. Keeping up with your oil maintenance is one of the easiest ways to make sure that you preserve the life and performance of your vehicle. Treat it like a priority, and your vehicle will thank you later. And it's not just motor oil. AMSOIL has everything you need to keep your vehicle running, from transmission and gear oils, coolants, fuel additives, filters, and even stuff for your motorcycles, ATVs, and boats. Basically, if it's got an engine, AMSOIL's got something to make it run smoother, cleaner, and last longer. So, whatever you drive or however you drive, AMSOIL delivers the protection you demand and the performance you deserve. Find all of these great products you need at amsoil.com, and as always, you can visit designingspaces.tv.